Well, news now from Jodhpur, where the verdict in the arms case against Salman Khan has been kept pending. The next hearing will now take place on the 3rd of March. Bollywood star Salman Khan also did not appear. His lawyer made an appeal to the court for an exemption for his appearance. This is in a case for possession and use of illegal arms. Let's go across to Harsha, who's been tracking this case. Harsha, tell us what went on in court.
Well, you know that we do know, just to give you a background of this case, that 25th February, that is today, was the day for the verdict. And the court had said that Salman needs to be present. Now, as soon as his lawyer walked in, we asked him, is Salman coming? And he said, probably not. Then he went into court and he put in an application asking that Salman be exempted from court hearing. After that, the prosecution came up with something which legally has been quite astonishing, actually, because the prosecution came up with an application that they had moved in 2006. So nearly 9 years ago, the prosecution had moved an application where they had asked the court to consider some witnesses. They had also asked the court to consider some evidence which was not taken into account in the charge sheet. And suddenly, on the day of the verdict, the prosecution went and told the court that, you know, there's still been no decision on that. So can you please hear this application? So, of course, the court, after considering the matter, has now set 3rd March as a date for hearing that application 9 years later, and the verdict has, as of now, been deferred. Gargi.
All right, Harsha, thanks so much for joining us with that.